वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलू's क्लासरूम। आओ कुछ नया सीखें।
A is for apple. B is for bird. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. G is for grapes. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for shoes. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.